Little storyteller.
The sun smiled down on the little town of Kernelville. Houses with candy-colored roofs lined streets as smooth as butter. A fluffy white bunny named Cottontail hopped happily past the big yellow popcorn factory. Inside, Mr. Fitzwilliam, a kind man with a round belly and a tall white hat, was making his famous buttery popcorn. A little bluebird, Pip, perched on a window of the popcorn factory, chirping a cheerful tune. Suddenly, there was a loud pop and a whoosh of air. A giant cloud of fluffy golden popcorn burst from the factory roof and floated into the sunny sky. The popcorn cloud drifted over Kernelville. Soon it began to sprinkle. Not rain, but warm, buttery popcorn. Children laughed and held out their hands. A little girl with bright pink boots giggled as popcorn landed on her nose. Cottontail the bunny hopped through the popcorn rain, his fluffy fur catching the delicious treats. He nibbled happily as he went. Pip the bluebird swooped and soared, catching popcorn in his beak. The popcorn shower lasted all day. Everything in Kernelville was covered in a light, buttery blanket. The park looked like a giant bowl of popcorn. Even the sparkling river had little popcorn boats floating on its surface. As the sun began to set, the popcorn rain stopped. Mr. Fitzwilliam came outside, looking a little worried. But then he saw everyone laughing and playing in the popcorn. He smiled. The people of Kernelville worked together to gather the popcorn. They filled big baskets and wagons. They decided to share the popcorn with all the animals in the nearby forest. Cottontail and Pip watched as the townsfolk and the forest creatures enjoyed the giant popcorn feast together. Mr. Fitzwilliam waved at them, his heart full of joy. Sharing the popcorn made everyone happy. It was a delicious day and a wonderful reminder that sharing something good makes it even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.